The Analyzing Climate Resilience tool supports standardized climate exposure assessments through a simple and traceable workflow. First, enter the building's longitude and latitude. After validation, the interface identifies the nearest city and displays the location on the map. Next, select the climate experiment, the variable to analyze, such as temperature, precipitation, or wind speed, the required indicator, and the available climate models. The analysis uses pre-processed Euro-Cordex projections, avoiding time-consuming simulations. The tool then presents the results as interactive graphs and numerical tables. Users can compare model projections and examine indicators including the mean, coefficient of variation, characteristic value, and factor of change. To make the assessment traceable and reusable, the report can be linked to the digital building logbook. Here, the user enters the report metadata, assigns the relevant building identifier, and creates the connection with the digital knowledge graph. Finally, the complete report can be viewed or downloaded for offline use, supporting climate-resilient design and more informed decision-making.